Hernia is a very common condition and a condition which has no medical treatment. Hernia requires surgery. So worldwide, it is one of the commonest surgeries done across the globe. Hernia is quite common, and in India and in the world, we see four different types of common hernias that we usually deal with. Either it's an incisional hernia, which means a hernia after having a previous operation, a paraumbilical hernia, which is near the umbilicus, which could be small or large depending on the size, and of course the inguinal hernias, which are the groin hernias that we see in the groin fold. And all these can be seen in the young, in the adults, and in the elderly as well. And there are different reasons why the intra-abdominal pressure increases in all these age groups and causes hernias. And hernia requires surgery. Hernia requires a mesh repair. Whichever location the hernia is, your surgeon will examine you, find the location, assess the plan, and tell you about a hernia mesh repair. And mesh is quite common. Mesh is like a net-like material used to cover that weakness or defect that we call as hernia. So worldwide, hernia is quite a common problem. It's a commonest surgery that happens worldwide. And here at Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Rd, we offer open surgery for hernia, we offer laparoscopic surgery for hernia, and we are also offering robotic surgery for hernia. And in all these approaches, whether it is robotic or laparoscopic, which are keyhole surgeries, which are much more better in terms for the patient, in terms of faster recovery, shorter hospital stay, and less blood loss. Robotic surgery scores higher and is one of the most popular approaches for hernia surgery at Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Rd. So consult your surgeon if you have any hernia problems. And at Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Rd, we offer surgery for hernia for all kinds of redo hernias, incisional hernias, large hernias, complex hernias, recurrent hernias, hernias in patients who are quite obese. So these are all challenging hernias that we deal with. I am Dr. Manish Joshi, Chief Surgical Gastroenterologist and Robotic Surgeon at Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Rd, Bangalore. Thank you.